Any more keys?
Wow, okay.
That would be
If you just took Frankers for a ride, that'd be okay.
Yeah, but I was going to take the other one.
Oh, yeah, the blue one.
Yeah, and I thought, no, that's your best car, really. Or one of them.
Certainly the one I have most work into.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if this thing will go. The battery was dead, so.
No shit. I mean, when's the last time you had it running? 1940?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. No, I can't have it drifting like that because.
No.
What are we doing here?
Um,
What's he doing? Is he gonna film this or what?
Laura's coming and she's gonna do a test drive of one of the cars.
Oh.
So he was thinking he might get her to do his high school one.
Oh. Yeah, I should have jumped in that blue one and went burning out of here. Like, hey! You see how fast he can run?
Then run
Oh,
after
I'd
you.
be long gone by then.
Yeah, for sure.
Long
I
gone.
think she's going for a ride.
Well, take her for a ride. Don't be such a... It's going to be $10 worth of fuel. That's it.
Should we go with you?
Huh?
Should we go with you?
I think we should,
You sit in the front, Tom will sit in the back with Frank.
I'm not going.
Around the block?
Yeah. Well, I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm going to sit
put this
here.
one up by the
I'm going to
shop.
sit here and guard these cars.
I'm going to put this one by the shop so we can put the charger on it.
Okay.
This one was a bit long too.
Well, yeah, just by running it. You have to go around because you have to. Yeah, some of these are. You got
You enjoying your ride today, Vinny? Yeah? Going for rides with old boring old dad? Oh, Mom's getting the mail. Anything good?
Something for me.
Oh yeah. It occurred to me when I was putting stuff away yesterday that this place would hold several more bikes if there wasn't so much shit piled along the walls here. So I'm kind of trying to clean that up. Some of you might remember I put the Fury together here. Well, there's a bunch of extra wiring harnesses and pieces and whatever that I did not need. And so there's no need for that to sit there. I had a set of tires sitting there. You know, got lots of stuff sitting around. I'm gonna keep cleaning up here, and we're gonna try and put the Cowie and the RD and the little Yamaha in here. That shouldn't be a problem. Well, a little bit of light organizing today. I still didn't get a chance to clean up this XS 650, but soon. Suzuki AS50, about 1970. This is the parts bike for Andy's Suzuki 150. That's Bun's 125 Honda. I put the RD in here for now till we have some time to get at it. My Honda parts bike, the CB354, the Daily 750 Honda, the Cowie 750, and the Wii Yamaha for going on the road trip. Very happy about that. Had to do a little bit of cleaning up. Everything looks so much better in here without all those half-filled boxes of garbage and everything. Found my saddlebags. Found my grandfather's old Brownie Hawkeye. And the RD looks a lot better than a pile of old parts sitting there. And yeah, great. Got the cars back inside. A little more room. Good. Hey, Frangers, want to go for a ride? Okay, get up. Good curl. Gonna take the Plymouth for a rip here. Won't be driving it much more this year, so let's see if she'll go. Okay. Sad time of year. Hey, miss. Time to put all the old cars away, hey? I do have a better one of these speaker grills. I'd be ashamed to take that one out. I wonder if there's a speaker behind there, or if there used to be. Geez, there's nothing left of it, eh? It's just dust. Okay. Some of you may have seen the bit where I tried to paint the mismatched white walls to match the ones on the back, and that product was shite. So I'm thinking I've got another pair of white walls that match exactly the ones on the back. They're not new, but I can't have it looking like this. It just looks stupid. So probably change those today. Got to balance them first, but they're on good painted wheels already. And meanwhile, good to exercise the old canoe a bit. Yeah, mini frankers, you haven't spent much time in this one, eh? It's actually a very nice day considering it's end of October and it hasn't snowed yet. Usually there's a foot of snow on the ground by now, so very happy about that. I mean, doesn't really matter, I guess. About to hear on our test drive the first time, and the brake pedal went to the floor, alarmingly enough. So we had to go back and sort that out, and also swapped those white walls that were the wrong size. I found another set that were a match. So we've got 4 identical tires on it now, so that's good. And that's probably all we're going to do with the car this year. I didn't intend to on it at all today. I think the leak is at the rear of the master cylinder, so we're gonna have to probably pull that out at some point. And you know, why wouldn't it leak? It's the only brand new part that we did. I rebuilt all the wheel cylinders, so of course I thought, oh, it must be something. I pulled, of course, you gotta get the drum puller out, pull all the drums off. Everything's fine. No leaks anywhere in the bottom of the car, so it's gotta be the master leaking down behind the firewall, which is, you know, which sucks because it's not like I keep the receipts or whatever, so now I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Right, there she is with 4 matching tires. It's kind of all we got time for right now. Still got to investigate where that master cylinder is leaking. Kind of disappointed because that's the only new part on the whole system. The only piece I didn't make, and big surprise, it's garbage. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See everybody on Saturday for more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.